हेलो बच्चों, we are studying indefinite integral and this is the part 1b of this video. Now here we are going to study elementary formulae which are used for integration, and these formulae are based on our formulae what we have learned in differentiation. Now we had seen that differentiation and integration they are just opposite of each other. चलो फिर देखेंगे क्या है. Now before telling you about the formulae, see what happens. Differentiation or derivative of cos x with respect to x is what? Minus sin x. बराबर है. Now same way you know differentiation of minus cos x with respect to x will be sin x. This is a basic formula for differentiation. And because derivative of minus cos x is sin x, integration of sin x will be minus cos x. So how I can write this? I write this integration of sin x, and as we have seen with respect to x means multiply by dx will be equal to minus cos x. So this is one of the formula we have seen based on the derivative. Let us take one more example. We want to find out what is integration of e raised to x. We know from our knowledge of differentiation that derivative of e raised to x with respect to x is again e raised to x. So integral of e raised to x will also be e raised to x. So integral of e raised to x with respect to x will also be e raised to x. Now see one more example which is applicable for all these formulae. If I say derivative of, let us take a different example. Let us take derivative of cot x plus some constant c with respect to x. What is derivative of cot x? Minus cosec square x. And what is derivative of c? 0. So integral of minus cosec square x will be cot x plus c. Now this plus c is applicable to all the integrals because c ka derivative will always be 0. So I can write down like this: integral of minus cosec square x with respect to x will be cot x plus some constant. Now I can multiply constant and I can write down also integral of cosec square x dx means with respect to x will be minus cot x. And whenever I take integration, I add I can write down that c dash, and c will be minus c dash. So this is known as constant of integration. समझ गए बच्चों? So whenever we take integration, we add this constant of integration, and that's why our chapter is known as indefinite integration. Now I will take you one more very good example. Derivative of x raised to n plus 1 अपॉन n plus 1 प्लस c। कैसा निकालेंगे हम लोग इसका डेरिवेटिव? 1 upon n plus 1 is a constant multiplied by derivative of x raised to n plus 1 with respect to x plus derivative of constant with respect to x। समझ गए बच्चों? डेरिवेटिव बहुत अच्छी तरह से आना होता है। 1 upon n plus 1 x raised to n, what is the formula? n x raised to n minus 1। तो यहां n की जगह है n plus 1 x raised to n plus 1 minus 1 प्लस ये तो 0 हो गया। अभी यहां क्या हो जाए बच्चों? n plus 1 is gone, plus 1 minus 1 goes x raised to n। Now based on this I can write, देखिए ये दो कंपेयर कीजिए। I can very well write integral x raised to n with respect to x will be equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c। समझ गए बच्चों? So this is how we have written the formulae for integration। समझ गए? चलो, these are the standard formulae which I have written and these all you must remember। Even if I wake you up from your deep sleep, you must be able to tell this formula। Now for this formula there is one more thing। What is that one more thing? I will explain you, and then next video we will solve example। Now see, for example, derivative of sin ax plus b plus some constant with respect to x। How I will find out? Derivative of sin ax plus b. Oh, I'll write down below. This will be equal to derivative of sin ax plus b with respect to x plus derivative of constant with respect to x। ये तो 0 हो जाएगा। Now how I write down derivative of this? Cos ax plus b बराबर है multiplied by derivative of ax plus b divided by with respect to x plus 0। So this becomes, this will be a, so a cos ax plus b बराबर है बच्चों। Now what happens if I divide both sides by this? Derivative of sin ax plus b upon a plus constant, यहाँ a will be divided, then I get cos ax plus b। So I write down integral cos ax plus b dx will be sin ax plus b upon a बराबर है। So this is applicable to all the formulae। This is applicable to all the formulae। समझ गए? मतलब यहां अगर if there is a multiplication factor to x, that becomes division here. Now by same logic, I will write down, for example, integral e raised to ax plus b with respect to x. That will be, what is the integral of e raised to x? E raised to x. So I write down e raised to ax plus b, and coefficient of x we take in the denominator and we just add the constant of integration. So whatever formula we had seen here, the same thing is applicable. If it is 1 upon ax plus b, then it will be log ax plus b divided by a. समझ गए? जैसा हमने यहाँ लिखा था e raised to ax plus b, here it will be e raised to ax plus b divided by a. So formula you must remember only this. Only you must remember if there is a coefficient of x here, it comes in the denominator. और ये जो अंदर वाला लंबा चौड़ा है वो यहाँ आता है. But if it is here cos ax square तो नहीं चलेगा. It is only for ax plus b. समझ गए बच्चों? इतने फॉर्मूले आप याद. I will tell you another formula. We know integral sec x tan x. ये फॉर्मूले याद रखो. Before next video will be equal to sec x plus c, because sec x का डेरिवेटिव है sec x tan x. बराबर है? अभी सेम लॉजिक आई यूज, sec ax plus b into tan ax plus b. अभी हमारे यहाँ x की जगह क्या है बच्चों? ax plus b. So this becomes sec ax plus b. Same thing I have repeated here, but I have not forgotten to add denominator as a plus constant. ये अच्छी तरह से याद रखो. फिर इंटीग्रल ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ टू फंक्शन will be addition. For example, integration of 1 upon x dx will be log of x, and integration x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Now if somebody says integration of 1 upon x plus x raised to n with respect to x will be addition of this plus addition of this. Integral 1 upon x with respect to x plus integration x raised to n with respect to x. अभी ये तो फॉर्मूले हमें मालूम है, log x plus x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. And whenever we take the integration, we add just one constant here as a constant of integration. समझ गए बच्चों? तो ये वीडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसको कम से कम 2 बार देखिए and note down these formulae and methods so that you will be able to understand the further. फॉर्मूले तो बाय हार्ट करना है, जो मैंने स्लाइड में दिए हैं 10 फॉर्मूले. समझ गए? और जहां ax प्लस बी आया तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं? डिनोमिनेटर में ax प्लस बी लेते हैं. ये सब चीजें याद रखो. देन वी कैन सॉल्व फॉर्मूले बेस्ड ऑन दिस फंडामेंटल और एलिमेंट्री प्रिंसिपल्स. समझ गए? थैंक यू.